We got food, we got coffee, we got hot chocolate, we got radios. Come on out. Hey y'all, we're out here at Doubletree Ranch Park out in Highland Village, Texas, doing the Go Kit Challenge. Basically, a bunch of radio guys get together. We either use our mobile rigs like I've got, or some guys got some boxes. We'll see a little bit later. What's your name, sir?
How you doing? I'm Dominic, WW3K.
All right. Appreciate your service. What you got for us today?
I got a couple of stations going on it. On FT8, I got the Yaesu 710 with the portable zero rails, running off a 50 amp hour Reydio battery, running full power 100 watt FT8 into a homebrew 17 meter end-fed half wave on a 40-foot telescopic crappie pole. And for 20 meter phone right now, I'm running a ICOM 7100 and a Commander 7100 Go box made by Hardened Power Systems out of Pulaski, Tennessee. It's got a 22 amp hour internal lithium ion phosphate battery pack. I'm running a 40 watt solar panel into it. It's got a built-in solar charger, built-in shore power. It's got external dual speakers. It's got an external headphone jack to where if you're operating this particular Go box and you don't want and you have other people next to you on their radios, you could just shut the external speakers off, or you can have the speakers going while you're on the headphones at the same time.
Oh, that's neat. All right.
What else? It has USB outputs. It's got
power pole connections.
Power poles in and out, as does this rig runner and everything else.
All right.
So everything except that little battery box that I built has solar capability as well. So this of course has a 650 watt charge controller.
650 watts. Wow.
This has a 60 watt charge controller, and the Bioenno battery my 40 watt panel will plug right into the 20 amp hour battery.
Okay.
So I can run, and I carry 12 amps when I fly, 12 amp hours. So I probably have a 50, 70, I have about 140 amp hours plus solar, so I could run forever for the most part.
Okay.
And then my truck has can recharge anything. It could recharge this. It could recharge it all. As long as I could go forever.
I was gonna say you pretty much run almost the entire weekend if you really wanted to. All right. Well, appreciate you showing me, and thank you for your service, sir.
Thank you.
And yeah, that's definitely a unique thing. You don't see every day or something like that.
No.
So
Between, but the utilitarian value of them is such that I couldn't build something that small.
oh yeah, no. That's something cool.
Because it'll run, 2 meters, 440, and it'll lay down 160 meters.
Yeah. Appreciate your time, sir, and I'm sure you'll do well with the competition. Go for it.
Okay, I am Penny, WAGNL. I have a disability and there's places I can't go in this, so I got one of these to take me to those places. It's a regular scooter. You can buy it at any scooter store for $350, maybe a little bit more depending on where you go. I have a basic Yaesu 300R radio here. It's got GPS, APRS. If you have an APRS app, you can find me. It's got the wiring going down here in this tube, goes underneath here, connects to the radio over here, and you see I got this little antenna here, and I got a lithium battery here. The mic is connected here, and it does work.
Okay. Yep. I saw it work it.
Yeah. So the scooter is also an electric scooter. You charge it here. The battery for the scooter is underneath here, and the scooter also has a light that works. And got a bill.
There you go. So, what kind of battery do you have for the radio?
The radio has a lithium battery. That's all I'll do. I just strongly believe in lithium. It's lightweight, goes more power for the punch.
Yeah. How many amp hours you have?
No, I think, 12.
Oh, it's a Bioenno, it looks like. Oh, very nice.
Yeah.
Well, 12 amp hour Bioenno battery. Very nice. And you just have it in a little 30 caliber.
It's just the
Yeah, the little ammo box there?
yeah,
Okay.
a little ammo box with some holes drilled in it, and you know, just a basic.
Has it overheated?
No.
Okay. Is that a signal stick?
Yeah, this is one of those that you could just pretty much bend.
Oh, yeah. Little signal stick antenna. Very nice.
Yeah.
All right. Well, I appreciate you showing me. That's
Thank you.
it's a great little setup you got right there. And
Something different for the mobile division.
definitely, definitely an interesting view on mobile,
Yeah.
for sure.
But I
But
do plan on winning.
and it's simple. That's awesome. It's simple and straight to it. Thanks for showing me.
You're welcome.
All right, here's another Go kit we have. This one's kind of fancier. So tell us who we got, and if you want to, and what you got for us.
My name's Wilson Little, November Tango 5 Alpha Tango, right there. And this is a POTA Go box, really specifically designed around POTA. It's an FT891 radio, powered by a 30 amp hour battery. The main power powers the radio, the amp meter, and 2 independently powered fans that get turned on based on the demand or the load.
Yeah.
This area is both storage and ventilation for the fans to pull out the heat. The auxiliary power goes over and does USB and one of the 2 power poles. The other power pole is for solar input,
Right.
so supplement the power to the battery. I normally use resonant antennas, but like the ability to match an antenna if I need to. And then
It's always a good thing.
And in addition to that, there's some storage under there, which is where I store my headphones for carrying it back and forth. So everything gets packed up in the box.
It's easy for mobility.
Yep. The 891 has a remote that allows for voice keying and CW keying. This is not the Yaesu version of that, but that is the remote keyer. And it allows better functionality of the radio in the field. And then down here is what I call the second box.
This is the coolest thing ever.
It allows 2 mics to go into the normal input to the radio. And when you key one, it disables the mic over here and activates the push talk, and then vice versa. And that allows 2 operators to sit next to one another and do a two operator POTA activation.
So you and a buddy can go out and with one radio.
With one radio.
Very cool. Very cool. And obviously this goes off of solar, or can go off of solar if you need it to.
Yep.
I'm guessing you can run FT8 and all that.
It does have FT8, sideband, and CW capabilities. And the software I use, it's a very cheap laptop. There's nothing special about this laptop. I run N1MM Plus as my logging software, which
Okay.
has a lot of cat control in it.
Yep.
I wrote the macros to set the defaults to where I want them. So one button click will turn on the way I want to run CW, and another button will turn on FT8, and a third button will turn on single sideband features.
Very cool.
Right?
Very cool.
So whether you want your notch on, your monitor on, all that.
Yeah.
And then the FT8, you got WJST software, and then you have
Digi?
Digi.
FL Digi? All right.
FL Digi.
All right.
So if you need help with your CW decoding, it will do it for you.
Okay. Very cool. Very cool. I also see you got the band plan back there. That's something I need to keep in my car.
Yep.
It's always good to know, so you know where you're supposed to be at.
I also cheated and I put in my memory banks all the bands. So where they begin, where the CW ends, where the FT8 is, where sideband extra begins, where sideband general begins, and where the top of the band ends. So they are always available to me, whether I have that piece of paper or not.
I need to put that in my radio. That's a good thought.
It's not bad. You can see there, you can list them all, and the whole way down to 180. It starts at 180.
Oh, wow.
CW, RIDI, FT8, voice, the voice limit, and then it starts over. And the one that really catches me, I'm an extra, and I forget where the general is, but I want to be above that when I'm doing POTA, and so this helps make sure that I'm above that limit so everybody gets to participate.
I understand that.
There you go.
I probably need to talk to you about how you did that with mine, because I just got my 891 and I haven't played with it fully yet. And I'm only a general, so I really need to be careful.
Yeah, I became an extra because I found myself down in the band where I wasn't supposed to.
Whoops.
A couple times, and I'm like, oh, am I out of band? And you go and look, I'm like, I'm out of band. So
I've heard that happens quite often, actually.
yep. So get your extra, and then you don't need to worry about it.
Yeah, that's what I keep getting told. All right, well, thank you again, Wilson. Appreciate you. Great setup. I like the wood carving there. It matches the FDE right there. Just gorgeous looking unit, man. Appreciate it.
Where do you want me to stand?
You were perfect right where you were.
No. That costs extra. I quit dancing on the table a long time ago. Thank you. I am so glad you guys all came out today. We had a beautiful day. The sun was shining, a little breezy, a little chilly a couple of times, but hey, I think everyone had a great time. If you had a great time, please let all the YouTube cameras know.
Yay!
So really, I do appreciate everybody coming out. We got to see some really, really good, well put together Go kits that were very well arranged, very clean on the install. Everybody was able to get on the air with a radio. We had some vehicles out there that had some good, clean installs. It was a very, very successful event, in my opinion. So. Oops.
Oh, I got chats, but it's so freaking small I can't see it. This is Streamlabs app.
Okay.
So it has all the ad and
Let me say this. So first of all, let me thank the City of Highland Village for allowing us the use of this wonderful facility. Yes, we had to rent it, but they don't have to rent it to us. Anyway, excellent facility with everything that we need to have a great Go Kit Challenge. So I'm really thankful to them for providing this for the public to use. Definitely want to thank Scott, Heidi, and Kathy, and
Kelly.
Kelly.
Jordan Goodyear. Yeah, Jordan brought brisket tacos. Dale Hyatt brought coffee. So yeah, there's a lot of people that helped to put Go Kit Challenge together, and we really appreciate all of their help and everything that they do to make this possible. Anyway, that being said, we're going to do this again next year, in case you're curious, because we're going to do this every year. So next year will be the 8th annual Go Kit Challenge. Probably going to do it here again.
No.
Going to do it? No?
No.
Scott's shaking his head no. We'll figure it out. We're probably going to change some of the rules for next year because it's just time. There might be a new category next year. You just never know.
11
So
meters.
keep an eye on our website for everything else that's coming up. But
That's not
anyway, let's get to the thing that everybody wants to know, and that is who won today's Go Kit Challenge. So,
I'm sure you do.
I know that I do need notes. I'm going to start with the technician category, our 50 and over group. I love to play on words with that because 50 and over means most of the ham radio operators would be able to join that category. But it's actually 50 megahertz and over. I know you're going to try and get technical with me, just deal with it. 50 and over. Technician class. The rule is everything in the box has to be able to be operated by a technician class operator. So, the winner of that category this year is KR8X. Dave. I forgot to thank Scott, N5FKU. Scott put together all of our plaques. So we've got these cool little plaques. Let me get right up here. All of these YouTubers up here. I can't believe how many YouTubers we have in the ham radio world.
I can show them later with mine from home.
Prep Paul's over there bragging because he's got one of these. All right, this is the Go Kid Challenge, 50 megahertz and up. 2025 goes to Dave, KR8X.
Nice,
Kelly,
Dave.
David, look this way.
Photo op.
Kelly,
Turn around, Kelly.
Kelly and David,
Get close.
close together.
You don't hit each other yet.
There you go.
Hug it out. There you go.
And you get the cup. Yeah.
Try not to lose it.
I will.
Perfect size for two.
There you go.
Oh, all right.
What's that cracking?
Our mobile category. Hold on.
Dun, dun, dun,
It was a
dun.
big category. N5FKU. Scott.
Go figure.
I can take one of the
Scott
plaques.
did an amazing job. If you got to see the Jeep and the way that is set up is really, really great.
Something about Jeeps.
Woohoo!
Thank you very much, and thanks for doing those. I appreciate it. They look really
Thanks,
great.
Scott.
Hey,
Yep, number 3.
yeah, that's the third time that Scott has won a category in the Go Kid Challenge. So, okay, the last one. A new entry. Someone that we have never seen before at the Great Go Kid Challenge. This gentleman, this is his first Go Kid build. And his name is Wilson. And his call sign is NT5AT. This kid was awesome. I was so impressed, especially to tell me that it was a first build. Great kit, very well thought out, everything you could think of to be able to get on the air in a quick and timely manner and be able to get on any frequency, any band, any mode. So very, very good setup. I was really pleased. So thank you very much, Wilson. There you go. We have a plaque for you.
Nice.
And for the wife. And we have a coffee mug or a beer stein or something. It is the Hamburg Cup.
Turn this way, please.
Show the sticker.
Frank sticker.
Yeah. Frank did sneak up and put a sticker on it. So thank you very much.
Congrats.
Thank you. Enjoy it. Really glad. Thank you. Guys, I want you to know all of the kits that I saw today were really, really cool. I was very impressed with the amount of work and the amount of thought that goes into building these kits. I hope everyone got an opportunity to look at one another's kits, to get ideas and get inspiration, or to share knowledge and information. That's the real reason for the Go Kid Challenge, is we want people to learn from one another. We want to bring the ham radio community together. And the cool thing is we have people from all over. We've got several guys from McKinney and Plano. Last year we had guys come in from Paris. We've got 2 people that I know of that came from Houston. And so we really appreciate that, and we're glad to have people come out and join us for this. And with that, I will say that Go Kid Challenge 2025 is in the books. Yeah!